Hey, damn, for YouTube.
He's not making a cut.
We're not Chris Face. Do not follow what we're
Show
gonna
you how to
do.
do engines tomorrow.
Wait, rear
So
main.
we left off last time, what? Putting on.
Where's your hat, bud?
The intake's on.
Damn, this shit. Oh my god, dude. You're gonna have to go to Turkey soon.
Turkey?
I'll go with you, bro.
Together.
Oh, to Turkey. Oh, I had to go get the transplant. That's motherfucker talking about turkey, man. We still need a long way till Thanksgiving.
Dutch Bros.
I bought 3, bro.
Oh, hey, what is you want, bro?
One of these right here.
Oh, esa.
Bro. Some brewed at home.
Una
You're gonna
lava.
make the. Hey, blur out Jerry, bro, until he brings his GTR.
Oh.
Blur him out.
Until he gets his papers.
Just blur him out.
We can't have ice coming.
Thanks, bro. That really helps.
I guess I think we didn't record last time because the whole video would just be us trying to take out this.
Take out the remain.
Yeah. What's up? Show us the new whip.
Whip for this, you bought it?
Maybe we should record it like fixing the bumper. Don't show that. Nah, we can still fix it.
Oh, by the way, spent like 1,500 in this car.
For what?
I just spent 1,500 with this car. What do you think I got?
Oh, you just bought something?
Yeah.
Well, I thought you bought another roll cage.
Japan.
Well, for that price, I can think of 2 things off the top of my head.
What?
Either beams
No,
or a new kit.
no.
No, I'm wrong. What could it be? The passenger seat? Recaro? I mean, bride?
No.
Final?
I got Defi gauges.
A whole set?
Yeah, 3 and a controller.
3 for 15?
Nah, it was at 11. But with the controller, with the sensors, the badass Defi gauges.
Bro, I remember you used to be able to get the 3, everything for like
No.
500, 600.
Oh, that was back in the day, buddy.
Back in the day.
Back in the day when these cars were $3,000. These cars were $3,000.
Yeah, back then when this was 3,000.
It's $8,000.
This
Right now.
this roller junk with the outside mounted fuel tank, door delete, automatic shifter. Yeah, this is. When they don't know, that's cool.
Hey, where's my coffee?
Nah, me ponle la AirTag, güey.
Ponele.
La AirTag ya está perdido.
Let's see if we have everything complete for the
Tell me about
for
that
when the
back,
engine goes back in.
Alright.
Making sure there's nothing missing.
What happened there stays there.
We do a wire delete too?
Hell no.
That's
That's the whole point of the board.
Why don't we just take off the
We're talking a
hood?
cheese channel, güey.
We're gonna channel, bro.
Yeah, that'll be better.
No, I need to get something to pry. Nada más, I just need something to wedge back in there.
A ver.
Oh, si tienen una. Oh, yeah. Put the pry tool. Even though it's not for that. Ahí va. Verás, mira, aquí tengo otra. Y dale palanca. Ahí está. Ah.
No que no, compáis.
¿Cómo anda, amigos? Has this been replaced? No. It's not that bad. You know.
They don't look bad, but we're here.
Yeah, might as well. Might as well.
Oil change. First thing we're gonna do this thing is an oil change.
I dropped the bad silicone.
If it ain't leaking oil.
Now it's definitely leaking. Now it's definitely leaking oil.
You might have a little leak there.
If it ain't leaking.
Yeah, do that razor blade?
Ain't got no oil. If it ain't leaking,
I think I might have razor
she's tweaking.
blades.
Jeremiah 13:16. Look, you got Jose shy as fuck.
Oh,
Bro.
I'm camera shy, bro.
I'm on camera all
He's
day.
all shy, bro. Look at him.
Oh, look at him.
Oh.
Look at him. Ooh, safety first.
That's what we promote here.
You have something
At
I
Team
can-
Hats Off, we promote safety.
Bro, look at
Safety
him.
one night, number 1 priority.
Hey, right now, it just needs to wash, bro.
Nah, this one
Sure,
has.
you have something to poke this?
Just need to paint you.
Poke what?
At the end, we'll just dump it all in the paint bucket.
Probably a screwdriver.
Get a nice coat of paint on the engine.
Oh, the holding red? Fuck it.
Wrinkle red, the whole thing.
Wrinkle red.
Like, don't they do that on like Peterbilts and shit?
No, it's coming
I
red.
don't know about that.
They just fucking.
You see
never
a
seen
red
that.
Peterbilt
Yeah.
motor, you're gonna be like, damn, that's a fucking motor, bro.
That's the motor right
That's a
there,
goddamn
bro.
Hell
brilliant
no.
And
motor.
I'm really my
That thing got 2 million miles on it.
I just want to mention, not just one, not two, but 3 S chassis in this.
No, I was grabbing the
This
razor blade.
freaking
bro, that's what we do,
multi-million-dollar
man.
shop right here.
That's what we do, man. Look, I don't make the rules here.
I don't like the rules.
I just get the rules.
Damn, bro, they're showing the dump we're working out with.
I know, I don't show. Blur the location, bro.
For real.
Blur the piñatas.
I'll blur that shit.
Build cars, not girls.
Nah, man. You're the last person.
What are you drinking there? Kicker? Let me guess.
Kicker, man, I hardly know her. You know who she is. She's viewing this right now. Ain't no girls watch this shit, bro. Only dudes.
Stabbed the back of my neck.
You forgot, don't do this at home. Don't do this at home.
No, only do it at a shop full of S chassis.
This is a professional
Ain't nothing in life
environment.
you get for free.
No, this is
So
AI,
always wear
bro.
your
This is
PPE.
AI.
Bars, bro.
Bro, that shit went hard.
Hey, bro, we're gonna do
There you
shit,
go.
we're gonna do
What
shit.
Dropping an album.
I got my PP, bro.
Dropping an album in 2 weeks.
What's the album called?
Hey, we're about to take off the old pan.
What?
Undisclosed.
It'll be on
Do we see
Spotify
it?
and
Undisclosed.
Apple
It'll be on. No.
Music.
Yeah, I don't even know.
We're talking here, bro.
Did it come out?
Tengo a little battery brush, I lo traigo,
It's
mira.
broken, so yeah, I'm assuming it's bad.
Oh,
12
Hey,
mils.
wait, this isn't the rear
It's like
main.
always get meals.
Nah. No. Don't do this at home, kids.
Here we go.
This is not a street vehicle. This will never be
Hey,
registered on the road again.
Worst case, we just pop it back out.
This car will never see the road again.
Just put a bunch of RTV on it.
Hey. Do not do this. This is a professional environment.
Very professional.
AI content.
broken.
Yeah.
You can like just sand it off.
Hey, what's that? I think I have to blur that out.
You just gotta. Are we putting it, boss?
Put it over here now.
Usually you put on the hood on the roof, but
Hey,
there's a
look
bunch of
at
stuff
him.
on
Hey, look
it.
at him for the HUD, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, someone post on the story.
For the ladies on YouTube,
He
he's
man.
single, ready to mingle.
Tag that man right now.
240 guy.
He's ready,
Yeah,
to,
he
fix,
drives
he's
a
ready to fix your 240.
Don't do this. Do not do any of this. No oil or nothing. We're just gonna put it in there dry.
Oil.
The lubrication.
What oil?
Alright, we cook it.
Bitch, you cooking?
We're gonna have to weld this.
Well,
We need to contact the welder.
I'm right here.
Why? Well, what?
He's right there.
Let's
talk behind camera. Cameraman can do a lot of
Weld
things.
it or remove it or whatever.
2 videos, bro. When this person's out in the wild. God. What that boy got?
What the fuck was that?
Man, bro.
Hey, oh, there's your TV.
bro.
Fucking, we need some gear oil.
Your legs hurt. Damn, bro.
Wait a second.
Hold up, bro.
Bro,
Legs hurt.
This
he's
shit's
been really
reversed.
quiet.
Hey, hold up. Someone
He's
switch
really
roles.
quiet
bro.
about what happened.
Someone switch roles.
Don't tell me your butt hurts.
It's like my back hurts.
Hey, bro, we don't judge, bro. Wait, we don't judge the people. Fuck, wait. This is so ghetto.
This is a professional shop. What do you mean? Nothing is ghetto here.
This is all done by the book. This is done by the service manual from
Nissan.
Japan.
Step 35. Fine drill bit.
On floor with old RTV on there. That was previously used to puncture the container that dried up.
The brand new container.
This is this came from Japan. We bought off eBay.
It got imported. Just
Imported from Japan just for this KA build. Yes.
Yes.
Did we win?
Yes. Mira,
Professional penetrator, bro.
call your boy.
I
I don't know.
don't want your phone being hit up, bro.
I'm gonna set up my RB parts gold mine.
That's totally sick battery I have. Bro, I gotta get my shit together and put my RB25 turbo, bro. I lo tengo nada más ahí.
When this is done, Photoshop it like if it's brand new. Make this part look all shiny, new seal and everything.
It has the stock RB20. But the 25
brand new
holds more power.
With the power of editing, this is a brand new seal.
The turbo,
Power of AI, that's the thing now.
Oh,
run, guys.
El que gallego. Vámonos.
4AG.
That's not this one over here.
No.
Where's the scratch you said it was?
That's not the flywheel, that's the pressure plate.
Oh, wait.
But it's just like dusty.
Sorry, bro. I drive a Toyota. I don't know how it works.
We don't even know what bars look like anymore because we don't work on the cars.
Hey, hold up, bro.
So, what do you think, chat? What do you think, chat? Do we need to resurface this?
So hold up, wait for the video to get posted, bro. No, comment.
Post it in the comments, chat.
Comment down below. Where's the scratch?
Yeah, where's the scratch?
I mean, it's
Where's
only
the clutch
it's only-
disc?
It's right there.
Bro, I don't even think that would make contact with that part.
All right. Well, I mean, I did my best.
DJ said it, bro. DJ said.
DJ said, what DJ says, DJ goes.
Yeah, what? Yeah, it was resurfaced.
Wait, should we surf it on the concrete?
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. It's a whetstone, bro. You put water on the floor.
This is a chop shop, bro.
Smack it good.
Yeah, I don't have a mallet, so I'm using my hand. Oh, look, I'm gonna use this one right here. Ah!
There's a rubber one, huh?
No, that's the one.
There was one. There was one. There's a dead. Oh, Benji had the dead.
Mira, mira. I got a mallet right
You have a
here.
dead blow, don't you?
Actually, don't show this for my
In
warranty.
the Skyline, huh?
Huh?
In the Skyline, we have.
Mallet?
Yeah, the rubber one.
Yeah, you need one?
No, I was asking you to get one. Yes, we do.
Hey, what's the torque spec?
Okay, no, compadre.
Pinche leverage.
Ahí está, dale here.
Leverage, leverage who, bro?
Nos pone una marquita.
¿De aquí para acá o de aquí para allá?
Aquí, no, just put it right there for now.
Look.
Ahí está. Ready? Agárrate.
No veo nada.
Ahí está.
You're picking up Benji, bro. You just go.
We have it somewhere. That's all that matters. That's what matters. We have it somewhere.
Color, bro.
Hey, bro, if you don't find it in this shop, we don't need it.
Yeah, how did Dom say? If it ain't in the shop, if you can't find the
If it ain't
tool,
here,
you don't belong in nowhere near a car.
looks like a Michael Bay shot.
Damn, bro. How much did they pay you, bro?
Guys, I take endorsements.
How much did they pay you to
I can't
babysit,
say.
bro?
I can't say.
How much did they pay you to babysit, bro?
Where's yours, bro?
See, no, me things like
Report
like
it
little office.
outside.
It's a boy.
Oh, I'm freaking hungry.
Nah, man, because Jared he doesn't even bring his own fucking.
Somebody get this man some bread.
I'm hungry as hell, dude. I ain't a duck, the hell?
No, I didn't say that. I was like, going.
It's literally the
Oh
same
no,
boat.
look, this is the same bowl. This one's a different one.
Huh?
Fuck it. Hala. Oh, blur that out.
What?
Must have been
What
the
did
one.
he say? Subtitles?
Watch your profanity.
The Chinese beaver, bro.
Hold on. The motivational guy. Wait, let's get running tonight.
You get torque goes 35 or what?
The gun will.
This is your engine, not mine.
I mean, it's ours now.
We're competing, bro. We're gonna compete. Final bout, right?
Yeah.
Hey, bro, I don't need that shit flying in my car.
Who said you were drifting?
Excuse me. I have a Toyota. I can drive.
Drive but not drift, bro.
How dare you? The camera?
Record that. Record that.
Oh, all that for not to work.
Jose's getting flashbacks, bro.
Hey, wait, bring the tranny.
The what? That's right.
The tranny.
The what?
Así están las piernas de José, bro.
Boom! Oh,
That tire.
made it. Made it.
Bueno, here, let's.
Oh, I need to take a picture of this.
Let's get a.
And don't forget to put on the clutch.
Para arriba, para abajo, Jerry.
Hey, si tiene el fork?
Sí. Okay, okay.
I don't know.
You need to go lower. You're pivoted too up.
I'm too high?
Yeah.
A ver, ten, tú dale, güey, porque I don't want to fuck this up.
Yeah, go down. A ver, hold up. Ahí está, dale. Okay, okay. Dale más pa. What's poking? Hi.
You're pivoted too high.
Okay, okay. Oh, watch out. The cameraman should never die.
Almost died.
No, you're right.
Alright, don't worry. Cameraman on God mode.
Right. Don't hit this, bro. Don't hit this.
Man, I'm gonna cut that bitch off. Okay, here, let me keep giving it more angle.
I drop it.
See that?
Hey, bro.
The back or forward?
Yeah.
It's gotta come up a little bit, and then we're gonna push it in, and then bloop, drop down.
Watch your head, dude.
Don't fucking
Okay.
wax me.
Yeah, I know, that's why.
Oh.
Ahí va.
Almost there.
Almost. Oh, I'm hitting the. Hold up. Hold up. Let me get my gun real quick.
Oh, what?
Oh.
What do you need?
Pass me the
9
gun
mil.
with the 17.
Here we go. We dropped it in, bud.
Bro, it was recording my butt the whole time.
The whole video.
You got
over here,
The
bro.
video was just like
Got the fucking moon, bro.
the moon eyes,
Full
bro.
on moon, bro.
Moon eyes.
You gotta stay there for like 5 minutes.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.